Pranam everyone. There are 5 vowels in English alphabets: A, E, I, O, U. Today we are going to discuss sounds of A, E, I, O, U. Let's start sounds of A. It sounds A. A. C-A-T cat, P-A-D pet, T-A-G tag, T-A-P tap, J-A-M jam, M-A-N man. Now, A-T at. Sounds of at. H-A-T hat, B-A-T bat. Now, A-N an. Sounds of an. V-A-N van, M-A-N man. A-M am. Sounds of am. J-A-M jam, Y-A-M yam. Now, AD add. Sounds of add. LAD lad, PAD pad. Now, AG egg. Sounds of egg. BAG bag, TAG tag. Now, AP app. Sounds of app. CAP cap, TAP tap. Now, we are going to discuss sounds of E. It sounds A. NET net, HEN hand, LEG leg, RED red. Now, ET at. Sounds of at. PET pet, NET net. Now, EN an. Sounds of an. PEN pen, HEN hand. Now, ED add. Sounds of add. BED bed, RED red. Now, we are going to discuss the third vowel of English language means I. Sounds of I. It sounds E. Let's discuss. SIT sit, BIN bean, LID lead, PIG pig, NIB nib, SIX six, LIP lip, SIP sip. Now, IT it. Sounds of it. SIT sit, KIT kit. Now, IN in. Sounds of in. BIN bin, PIN pin. Now, ID id. Sounds of id. KID kid, LID lead. Now, IG ig. Sounds of ig. BIG big, WIG wig. Now, IP ip. Sounds of ip. LIP lip, SIP sip. Now, IB ib. Sounds of ib. BIB bib, NIB nib. Now, IX X, SIX 6. Now, we are going to discuss sounds of O. It sounds O. POT pot, POD pod. DOG dog, TOP top. FOX fox, BOY boy. Now, OT ot. Sounds of ot. POT pot, COT coat. Now, OD odd. ROD rod, POD pod. Now, OG og. Sounds of og. DOG dog, LOG log. Now, OP op. Sounds of op. TOP top, MOP mop. Now, OX ox. Sounds of ox. FOX fox, BOX box. Now, sounds of OY oil. BOY boy, TOY toy. Now, we are going to discuss the fifth vowel of English language means U. Sounds of U. HUT hut, GUN gun, RUG rug, CUP cup. यहाँ आपने देखा कि U को हम अ रीड करते हैं. Now, UT अट. Sounds of at. NUT nut, HUT hut. Now, UN un. Sounds of un. GUN gun, BUN bun. Now, UG ug. Sounds of ug. JUG jug, BUG bug. Now, UP up, CUP cup, PUP pup. So, in this video, we have discussed the sounds of A, E, I, O and U. Thank you for watching my video.